I think 5 minutes is good enough, like 5-10 minutes, good enough time. This thing might randomly cut out, and if that does happen, I'm just gonna stop playing the game. So if this camera video thing randomly cuts out because it's low on storage, I'm just gonna stop playing the game. Okay, just gotta familiarize myself with the controls again. There we go. It's been a short, not really. I mean, it's been kind of a while since I played this game. Wait, I want to see something. Oh crap, wrong one. Okay, so yeah, the thing does carry over on each save. Got it. That's cool. Oh, I keep forgetting I don't have. Take your stuff. Okay, let's go slime hunting. Oh, wrong one. I mean, I already know what these say, but may as well just go. I'm wide activate. I gotta admit, what little story there is kind of nice. Mainly a farming game though. Going over here. Yeah. I'm so smart. Right, can't open that. And I can't get to that. Ain't that great? Okay, whatever. Oh, wait. Wait. I thought there was heartbeats here. Oh, wait, no, it's on the top of the thing. Right, I forgot. Okay. Oh, pogo fruit. You know what? Whatever. Whatever. Here we go. Whoa. 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 Yoink. Yeah, you know, whatever. Use some coop or something. My original playthrough, I hadn't made a coop until like forever. Oh, right, yeah. Full. What was that? Oh, it's more slimes going on, okay. So if this recording just randomly cuts out, I'm just gonna end it. Yep, there we go. Okay, I've now realized I may have put too many with too little walls. Which, yeah, I knew that before, but like, it won't become into trouble because there's only like pink slimes here, so it's fine. It's fine until it's not fine. There we go. Oh, I don't have a lot of moolah now. Oh well. There we go. Corral garden, coop, silo. Don't have enough money for any. Eat. Look at them, so silly. There we go. Release all of these guys back. There we go. Alright, can I use this? Okay, can't use this yet. Nope. Okay. Alright, I forgot these slime spawn. When it is night, new Slimepedia, phosphorus slime. There you go. No phosphorus slimes here. Okay, that's a lot of